the job hub as well. And BCU is one of the public modern university, the university for Birmingham. And if you talk about the employability and practicality, that is one thing that we keep at our heart, at our core. We have a lot many things to offer to students. I think your questions are going to be around that, and I'm very excited to answer all of those things in the questions that you guys put up with me in the coming press conference 2025, which for which the deadline has already passed, which was 15th of November. But for business, which is Empress for Business, is still live. If anyone who's from management background or business background can of course apply. The deadline is tomorrow. You are allowed with dependents, of course. We are happy to take you on an MOI waiver as well. So talking about Birmingham City University, we believe and we have seen that Nepal students have exceptional English and they are very much good at their skill sets when it comes to speaking in English. So we are giving you an IELTS waiver on the basis of your university that you have graduated. So you should be either from Kathmandu, from Pokhara University, from Tribhuvan University or Purbanchal University. And if you are from any of these four, we are happy to take you for an MRES program. Now again, MRES program is quite competitive as well because it's a research program at the end of the day for Jan intake. So your application, once you submit it through SPY Overseas, is going to go to the tutor. Once the tutor reviews your application, that is when an offer will be released. So yeah, any business aspirants, any person who has done management degree can of course apply. We have more of research. So as per UKVI, for you guys to know, any university who's running a program of MRES, which is allowing dependents, that should be more of research. So our program is 70% of research and the remaining 30 of taught. Now talking about the digitalization practicality, all our programs, not only MRES, so covering up the kind of programs we are offering, we offer bachelor's programs, a wide range of master's program as well. We have 4 schools: art, design, media, business law, social science, health education, life sciences, and we have computing engineering, built environment as well. So all our 4 schools have different variations, different options at master's level as well, whatever you want to choose in any of the school. Now we are very much flexible in terms of practicality because we understand that students are coming and opting UK, and that too UK being one of the destinations which has the top ranked universities, the best quality education you can find in United Kingdom. So we try and prove ourselves in a way that we have curated a program. All our programs have an approach of 70 to 30%, which is more of practical, 70% to 80% practical exposure which is being given to the students, and 20% is our theory. So not only MRES, digitally, practically, everything will be covered if you come to BCU. We have a very good range of scholarship. We are providing up to £2,000 scholarship for all our students if they are more than 70% or above. And anybody who is somewhere around 70% to I would say 75% gets 1,000. Anybody more than 75 gets entire £2,000 scholarship. So at Birmingham City University, you will not only see Nepali students, like we are in Nepal right now, we get good number of students from Nepal. So any of you who are watching this, if you want to come to BCU, you will not feel homesick at all. That is one thing that I can assure you. Because we have societies based on countries, religions, so you will be seeing that your festivals are being celebrated there. Talking about the programs and offerings, like I just said, we have a wide and a long list of programs at bachelor's and master's level. For art, design, media, somebody wants to come for art, design, media. Somebody wants to come for business law, social science. Always welcome. Anybody who wants to come for computing engineering, built environment, or health education, life sciences, please come to BCU. We are there to take care of you. Talking about the job opportunities and possibilities, BCU is ranked top 7th in the UK for employability, and our employment rate is 98%. So 98% of our students are placed within 6 months of their graduation duration. Now this only happens because we have placement cells in the campus, Career Plus and Opportunity. So these placement cells help students get a full-time or a part-time job depending on what kind of a role the student is applying. Also talking about the full-time partners, which are the companies who come at BCU and recruit students. So we have 100 plus full-time partners. We have Apple, Cisco, Bentley, Land Rover, Jaguar, BBC, Louis Vuitton, Versace, KPMG, PwC, Deloitte, and many, many more. SPY Overseas is one of the trusted partners for Birmingham City University. Whatever information comes out from the university comes to them very first-handedly. If you are planning to apply, you can come to them. They will not only support you till you are done, till you get your visa, but I have seen them supporting students until unless they have not reached UK and even after they graduate. So your journey with SPY and BCU will go until life, I will say, because they will take care of you even after you are there in the UK. And also, I want to address one more thing, which Subhanshu just answered regarding the things that students face there. So I would say if you are planning, all the NAPI students and parents, if you are planning to send your kids or if yourself are planning to come here, please make sure that you apply to a university, you take suggestion with SPY, you are applying to a public modern university at least, which comes under the government rules and regulations. Like we as a university are a public modern university, which is being run by the rules and regulations of UKVI. If you come to a university which is being run by the government and I would say follows UKVI rules most importantly, that is when you will never face any challenges once you are there in the UK. Regarding the living expenses. So if you're planning to come to Birmingham City University in Birmingham, your living expenses is quite less to that of London or any other city that you look at. Because if you're coming to Birmingham, it's very much okay if you have somewhere around £10,500 for 1 year, including your rent, your food, your laundry, whatsoever for 1 year. Whereas in London, it's a very high amount. The competition is also really high, and of course, you will have to deal with a busy life there. So why not come to a city which is one of the liveliest city, one of the top 20 places to see in the world as per the New York Times, one of the peaceful cities as well. So living expenses very less, peace is very less. Come to BCU.